Hi, hi, hi!
Hello, hello, hello!
What are we making today?
What are we making today?
Can you guess?
Okay.
We need honey.
Sweet, sticky honey?
We need cream cheese.
Creamy cream cheese?
We need whipped cream.
Sweet, white, and creamy cream?
We need tangerines.
Juicy orange tangerines?
We need bread.
Soft, moist bread? Is it orange juice?
Orange juice? No.
Orange cupcakes?
Orange cupcakes? No.
Aha! Tangerine tiramisu?
Tangerine tiramisu? Yes.
Yay! Today we are making tangerine tiramisu.
How? Cream the cream cheese.
Cream the cream cheese.
It's so hard.
Stir, stir, stir.
Don't give up.
Don't give in.
Keep going.
How long?
3 to 5 minutes. Keep going.
3 to 5 minutes? I'm tired.
Wiggle your fingers.
Wiggle my fingers.
Wow, I'm done.
What is next?
Don't forget the whipped cream.
I love whipped cream.
Mix it all together.
Mix
the frosting. Mix the frosting. Mix the frosting. Mix. What is that?
It's a piping bag. It's a piping bag.
Add the frosting.
Yum! Can I eat the frosting?
Do you like frosting?
Yes, I do.
Me too. Wait, please.
Wait. Aww.
Let's make the tangerine tiramisu.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Break the bread.
Break the bread.
Small pieces, please.
Small pieces, please.
What is round?
What is round?
A tangerine is round.
A tangerine is round? Juice the tangerine.
Juice the tangerine.
Push and twist.
Push and twist.
Twist, juice.
Twist, juice.
Juice the tangerine.
Juice the tangerine.
Add some honey.
Add some honey.
Is it sour?
No.
Is it spicy?
No.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Honey is sweet.
Honey is sweet.
Add the honey.
Add the honey. Add some frosting.
Add some frosting.
Layer more bread.
Layer more bread.
More tangerine syrup, please.
More tangerine syrup, please.
Can we add more frosting?
Can we add more frosting?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
How does it look?
How does it look?
It looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
Can we eat it now?
Can we eat it now?
No.
Time to decorate.
Add some tangerine slices.
Lots of tangerine slices?
No. Just a little.
Okay, just a little.
Put the tangerine slices on top.
On the bottom?
No.
On the side?
No.
Under?
No.
On top?
Yes, on top.
Wow, it's so pretty.
It looks yummy.
Can we eat now?